Welcome to our beautiful booth.
In this video, I'll show you on how to make an indigenous material decoration. Here, we need corn husk. In Bisaya, pakpak sa mais. Then, we need jute rope. This is a handmade decorative garland made of natural dried corn husk. Next is we have to make corn husk roses. For the base, prepare 4 sheets of the husk. I decorate the corn husk garland in the arc entrance of the booth. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Good Life and Art Pharmacy House of Creativity.